are in Romayor, Texas, maybe.
Technically Cleveland.
Could be Cleveland, could be...
The address says Cleveland.
Yeah, but we're at Artesian Lakes Resort. We found out about this place was because they have an 1893 Climax that they have on display here that they kind of like dug out of the mud somewhere around here. There's a video for it. I'll try to link it at the bottom of them pulling it out here. And I think they plan to have a museum thing put around it. Yeah. It's an 1893 Climax 2-truck. And there's not a lot left of it. And this is technically our first Texas train. So I'm gonna come around.
We missed it the night we came in because we were coming in and it was late. It was off to the side and behind a tree, and we didn't see it as we were following our...
You can actually see the flues in the park. Yep. But it's like everything that was wood is gone.
Well, yeah, if it was in
the cab, anything. Try to get over here in the shade a little bit. There we go. So there's no glare. But there's that. They are attempting to like put a roof over it and make this a nice area, which is good. That drive shaft going down there. Gears up underneath. I don't know if you can see it down there. I'll take some pictures of it. Of course, I always take pictures. It's 1893 Climax here in Romayor, Texas. So we'll stop and take pictures and put them at the end and check the links down at the bottom too. All right, thanks guys.